Good morning to all the students. Welcome to the physics class. So, students, in the last video, we discussed prefixes and practical units for small measurement of length. Now, today we will discuss practical units for large length. So, students, first is this is the light year. So, what is light year? We know, students, that light travel with the speed of 3 into 10 to raise power 8. So, students, this speed is in meter per second. It means that in 1 second light travels 3 into 10 to raise power 8 meters. So, students, in 1 second it travels 3 into 10 to raise power 8. So, in this way, in 1 year it will travel this much amount. So, light year is basically the distance traveled by light in 1 year. After that, second is the astronomical unit. It is the mean distance between अर्थ एंड मून. जो भी डिस्टेंस है बिटवीन द अर्थ एंड मून, उस डिस्टेंस को हमने एक यूनिट मान लिया, एंड दैट डिस्टेंस इज नोन एज एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट. इट इज डिनोटेड बाय AU and its value 1.496 into 10 to raise power 11 meter. So this is its units. After that, our third unit is parsec. So students, this is the largest unit of distance. So basically, what is this? What is the parsec? So to students, if we make a arc and length of the arc is 1 AU, okay students, and we know that arc makes an angle, always make an angle. So this is arc and this is radius. This is called angle theta. So students, when our arc length is 1 AU and value of this theta is 1 second. Repeating again, when length of the arc is 1 AU and angle is 1 second, then we say whatever the r value of r, that value of r is parsec. So students, if you see here, so this is I am talking about this 1 AU and our angle is 1 second, then this length is known as 1 parsec. So students, its value is 3.08 into 10 to raise power 16 meter. So this is the value of 1 parsec. After that, practical units of area. So students, there are 3 practical units of area, as we see here. First is barn. It is basically used for small areas. Second is acre. This is basically used for measuring lands. जब भी हम खेत लार्ज एरिया की बात करते हैं, देन वी यूज़ द एकड़. And when we have also another unit for large areas, that unit is hectare. So these basically three practical units of area. You just remember the quantities. This quantity, that 1 bar is equal to 10 to raise power minus 28 meter square. 1 acre is 0.4047 meter square, and 1 hectare is 10 to raise power 4 meter square. After that, practical units for masses. मास की जैसे ऐसा यूनिट है केजी, लेकिन हर बार हम केजी यूज़ नहीं कर सकते, तो लार्ज मासेस के लिए हमने अलग से यूनिट्स बनाई हुई हैं, जैसे टन, क्विंटल, स्लग, पाउंड. ठीक है. और इसमें बचे जो लार्जेस्ट यूनिट है वो है चंद्रशेखर लिमिट, जो अपने कह सकते हैं कि लार्जेस्ट इस यूनिवर्स में, पूरे के पूरे यूनिवर्स में, अगर अपने बैक कह सकते हैं कि कोई भी चीज़ इतने मास की हो सकती है, तो मैक्सिमम मास किस चीज़ का अगर हो सकता है पूरे यूनिवर्स में, वो है चंद्रशेखर लिमिट. सो इट इज़ इक्वल टू 1.4 टाइम्स mass of sun. So this you have to remember. And here one thing you also have to remember, that 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg, quintal 100 kg, slug is 14.57 kg, pound is 0.4536 kg, and also Chandrasekhar limit. After that, we have practical unit of very small masses. So we have only one unit for very small masses. This unit is used for measuring the mass of very small particles like neutron, proton, electron. So we measure the mass of very small particles in terms of atomic mass unit. So what is atomic mass unit? This is basically the 1/12 of mass of कार्बन. कि कोई भी कार्बन एटम का मास ले लीजिए, उसको 12 से डिवाइड कर दीजिए, तो जितनी संख्या आपके पास आएगी, जो वैल्यू आपके पास आएगी, दैट वैल्यू इज़ नोन एज 1 एटॉमिक मास यूनिट. एंड दिस इज इक्वल टू 1.66 इंटू 10 टू रेज़ पावर minus 27 kg. So basically this is the 1 AMU. After that, we have practical units for time. So basically we have approximately 8 practical units for time. One is solar day. We all know about this, that the time taken by Earth to complete one rotation about its own axis with respect to Sun. ठीक है. This is the solar day. Sidereal day क्या है? In this is the time taken with respect to any star. ओके. सोलर डे कैसे बनता है कि अगर हम रेफरेंस सन को लें, एंड सिडेरियल डे व्हेन वी टेक रेफरेंस ऑफ एनी डिस्टेंट स्टार, किसी स्टार का हम रेफरेंस लेते हैं. आफ्टर दैट सोलर डे, ये क्या है? सोलर ईयर सॉरी, कि वी नो दैट अर्थ मूव्स अराउंड द सन in orbit, and whatever the time taken by it to complete one revolution around the sun is known as solar year, and this is basically equal to 366.25. Next is tropical year. So the year in which there is total solar eclipse is called tropical year. One is leap year. In leap year there is one extra day in February month, means February month has 29 days, is leap year. Lunar month is time taken by the moon to complete one revolution around the earth in its orbit, is called the lunar month. One lunar month is 27.3 days, and we have another unit of time is shake. This is the smallest practical unit, which is equal to 10 to the power minus 8 second. So these are some practical units of time which we have studied. So in next video we will further study. Thanks for attending class.